Hey y'all, how about today we make perfect, fluffy, delicious scrambled eggs that have 0 eggs in them. They're so good, they're so quick. You could literally make them on a morning you're running behind without any special ingredients. And look at them y'all, they're delicious. Let's begin. Hey y'all, how about today? Plant-based foodies. How to make them. Let's begin. Okay, y'all. To begin with this crazy easy scrambled egg, start with a skillet, medium-high heat, 1 block of firm tofu drained. The firm is important, not the silken, because firm crumbles. Silken does not. So put it in there, and then literally you just take a fork and then you just mash it. And so as you can see, it's already looking a little like scrambled eggs, like white scrambled eggs. You just mash it down. Then you don't do anything to it at this point. You're gonna let it cook like 2 to 3 minutes to really get that water out, let it all evaporate, and kind of dry out some. So we're just gonna let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes. See y'all. Okay, one thing I love about this recipe is, okay, I'm like one of the few vegans, I don't know, maybe there's more of us out there. I don't really like tofu. I don't think it has much flavor. I don't much care for it. I don't like it. I know it's good for you, lots of protein, things like that. I don't know. But this recipe, I really like it because you cook it, and I think you really cook out a lot of that tofu flavoring. So now to this, after it's cooked about, 2 to 3 or so minutes, make sure there's no water. We're gonna add all of our seasoning. So this is, well, let's start with this one's easier. 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. And then in here, I have 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, some salt and pepper to taste, and about a teaspoon of Tony's Cajun seasoning, which, as y'all probably have figured out, I add to just about everything. So you're gonna stir this up. This is where it's really gonna take on the yellowy egg look. You're gonna cook it another 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you're gonna add like just 2 tablespoons of your unsweetened, unflavored plant milk, and just stir that in, and that just kind of wets it and makes it a little silkier like scrambled eggs. But there you have it. There's your plant-based, whole food, oil-free scrambled eggs. Now let me show you our favorite way to eat this. We just take a burrito-sized tortilla, and then start with eggs. Put some eggs in it. Some eggs in it. Y'all, that looks just like eggs. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Then, to that, a little bit more. Burritos are kind of a funny thing to build, You think you add just a little bit and it just keeps growing and then you can't close it. This is some of our sausage that I make. It's in the biscuits and gravy video. If you want to know how I make my sausage crumbles, I guess I should do their own video. They're worthy of their own video. I just haven't done it yet. This is some of our perfect oil-free fried potatoes. I fried them in the air fryer. But we will do a video of these because there's a secret trick to them to get them this crispy and delicious. but not a lot of people do. But we figured it out. Add some of those. This is just some salsa. And then this is the latest cheese I made, the queso I made, I think, in the very last video we uploaded. Some of that on there. Look how delicious that looks already. Then, you know, to roll it, the ends, the corners, over, tuck, and then the end, the corners, ends, whatever. And then roll it. Now, I like to do mine in the skillet just to kind of toast it and grill each side, but you don't have to do that. But there you have it. How easy was that? You could totally eat these eggs with just some toast, with some the bacon that we make. We never did make a video of that bacon. Anyways, it's so easy, it's so quick. You can have eggs every morning, and it's delicious. So be sure to like and subscribe and share, and be blessed, y'all.